Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to install Arch Linux on VirtualBox in Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first open your favorite web browser and browse this URL. Then click on download link and then download Arch Linux from this mirrors list. I already have downloaded it on my machine. After a successful download, open VirtualBox. If you don't have installed VirtualBox on your system, you will find a link in video description how to install VirtualBox. At first, create a new virtual machine. Select New. Enter the virtual machine name or Linux in my case, and then select ISO image or Linux ISO image, then open. Okay, now click on next. You can modify virtual machines hardware by changing amount of RAM and virtual CPU count. I am going to increase the base memory. Now I am going to increase the number of CPU. Then click on next. Create a virtual hard disk. Now you can increase this size. Click on next. Click on finish. Now open settings. Increase the video memory size. You can maximize this. Okay, and then select Expert tab. Enable extended features and also enable extended features 3D acceleration and select graphics controller VMS VGA. Click on OK. Now start the virtual machine. Now you can enable full screen mode or scaled mode. I am going to enable scaled mode to maximize the screen. Now select the first option, Arch Linux, install medium. Make sure that you have internet connectivity using this command. And then proceed to install. I am going to install Arch Linux directly in VirtualBox. So write this command, Arch install, hit enter. Now select the language. Now select disk configuration, hit enter. Then select partitioning, hit enter. And select use a best effort default partition layout, hit enter. Then press space key, then hit enter. Now select ext for file system using down arrow key, then hit enter. Now select back button using down arrow key, hit enter. Now select bootloader. I am going to select the default bootloader, grab, and then select host name. You can change this name, but I am going to use this host name. If you want to go back, press escape button, then select root password option, hit enter. Now enter the root password, hit enter, then enter the same password again to confirm password. Now select user account, hit enter. Add a user, enter your username, then hit enter, and then enter the password for this username. hit enter, then enter the same password again to confirm password, hit enter. If you want to add the super user permission to this user, select yes, then hit enter. Now select confirm and exit option using down arrow key, hit enter. Now select profile, hit enter, then select type, hit enter. Now select the profile from this list. I am going to select desktop, hit enter, and then select the desktop environment from this list. I am going to select KDE Plasma desktop environment. Press space key from keyboard, then hit enter. Now you can select graphics driver, select back button, then hit enter. Select audio, hit enter. I am going to select Pulse audio, hit enter. Now you can set the network configuration, additional packages, optional repositories, time zone, others. You can leave these options. Now I am going to install Ars Linux. So select install, then hit enter. Select yes option, then hit enter to continue installation. It may take a few minutes, so be patient. Now select no and then hit enter. If you see this installation completed without any errors, reboot the system using this command, hit enter. Now select boot existing OS, then hit enter, hit enter. That's it. Ars Linux installed successfully. Now enter the password for this user, hit enter, and enjoy Ars Linux. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this video.